Welcome everyone to the complete project of emotion detection from text using NLP. So this course consists of 5 different modules. We are going to discuss about the concepts like how to import the packages, how to import the data set, and how to extract the features from the data set. And then we are going to discuss about how to train the data set. At last, we are going to predict the emotion detection from text using NLP. So this course is very useful for the students who are trying to create emotion detection from text using NLP for the first time. So let's get started. Welcome everyone to the first class. We are going to discuss about our project emotion detection from text using NLP. So NLP is nothing but natural language processing. So for running our project, we need to create new notebook in Google Colab. We are going to use Google Colab for our project. So after creating the new notebook, you have to type your project name. So I am going to type emotion detection from text using NLP. So after typing your project, so you have to change your runtime. So I am going to change to CPU. So if you want GPU, you can also use that. So in the first class, we are going to discuss about how to import the necessary packages for our project. So the first important package, that is the NLTK. So you have to type import NLTK. So NLTK is nothing but Natural Language Toolkit. So after that, using the NLTK, you have to download the another package. So you have to type nltk.download of stop words. So stop words are nothing but it will remove the unnecessary words from your text. So that's the use of stop words. It will remove unnecessary words from your text. So after that, we are going to use the package sklearn.naivebase. We are going to import our model, that is nothing but naivebase algorithm. We are going to use naivebase algorithm. So inside the naivebase, there are many types. We are going to use multinomial NB. So after that, we are going to import the second sklearn package. You have to type from sklearn.feature extraction dot text. We are going to extract features from the text. And then you have to import the sub package tfidf vectorizer. So it will convert your features into vectors. That vectors is very useful for running our project. Also, if you want to find the accuracy score, you have to import the package sklearn metrics. And then you have to use the transformer package. You have to type from transformers, and then you have to import the sub package pipeline. And then you have to import the pandas package for the dataset manipulation. And also you have to import the sklearn package model selection. So if you want to split the dataset into train and test, you have to import the package train test split. It will split your dataset into train and test. So these are all the packages you need to import. First one is the NLTK, and then multinomial NB, and then vectorizer. After that, you can see the accuracy score, and then train test split, and then pipeline, and then pandas. So you have to run this code. So you can see all the packages are successfully imported. So in the next class, we are going to discuss about our data set. Welcome everyone. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the data set for our project emotion detection from text using NLP. For the data set, I am going to create dictionary. You all know that dictionary contains key and value pairs. So text is the key and these are all the values. And then emotion is the key and these are all the values. So the values are in the list format. So you can see the text and based on the emotion. So what a beautiful day, it is a joy. So every text there is an emotion. So I am going to convert this data set into pandas data frame. For that you have to type df equal to pd.data frame of data. It will convert the data into data frame. So we have successfully imported our data set for our project. Welcome everyone. In today's class we are going to discuss about how to remove the unnecessary words from our data set. For that we are going to create a function. You have to type the def keyword and then you have to type the name of the function clean text of text. We are going to clean our text. First we need to convert all the text to the lower form. You have to type text.lower of. It will convert all the uppercase value to lowercase. So after that we are going to return the text. So our data set is not complicated. If your data set is more complicated, you have to provide more pre-processing for cleaning your data set. So after pre-processing your data set, you have to apply that. For that you need to type df of text. We will create a new column by applying the pre-processing. Df text dot apply of. So it will apply what are all the pre-process you have created. So we have successfully cleaned our text. So in the next class we are going to train our data set using naive Bayes algorithm. Welcome everyone. In today's class we are going to discuss about how to train our data set. So before training our data set, we need to separate features and then target variable. For features, you need to create x variable. So you have to type x equal to df column text. Text column will be our features. And then you have to create the target variable, that is the y. You have to type y equal to df of emotion. So emotion is our target variable. Based on the features, we can predict our emotion. So that's why we have created x and y. So after that you need to separate your data set. For that you have to type x train, y train, x test and then y test equal to, you have to call the package train test split x comma y. You need to add the feature and then target variable. And then you have to type the test size equal to 0.2. So 20% is separated for the test data set and then remaining 80% for the train. After that you have to type the random state equal to 42. So 20% is separated for test and then remaining 80% for training. After that we need to convert the features into vectors. So you have to type vectorizer equal to dfid vectorizer of. It will convert your features into vectors. So after that you need to type xtrain equal to vectorizer dot fit transform of xtrain. We are going to convert the xtrain features into vectors. And then also we are going to convert the stest features into vectors. You have to type xtest. So we have successfully converted the features into vectors. So now we are going to train our model. So you have to type your own variable. I'm going to type classifier equal to multinomial NB. So that's our naive-Bayes algorithm model. So after that we are going to fit our model. So you have to type classifier dot fit of X train and then Y train. So it contains the training data set. So you need to run this code. So you can see our model is successfully trained on the data set. So in the next class we are going to find the prediction of our output. Welcome everyone. In today's class we are going to find the output for our emotion detection project. For that first we need to predict our output. For that you have to create a variable prediction equal to classifier dot predict of X test. And then we will print the output. So you have to run this code. You can see the output joy and joy. So we have successfully predicted our output. So now we are going to discuss about the pre-trained model in the Hugging phase. So for that first we need to create a variable emotion equal to pipeline of text classification. You have to type text classification. So and then you have to type comma. You have to type the model name of the Hugging phase. So you have to type the model name. So we are going to use the pre-trained model in the Hugging phase. And then return all score equal to true. So you need to know that there is a pre-trained model for our project. So I'm going to type the sample text. So you can type your own sample text and then you have to predict the sample text. You have to type the emotion of sample. Using the pre-trained model, it will predict this output. For the text, you can see the emotion output like anger. You can see the score 0.0 and then fear 0.0, joy 0.96. So 96% our sample text is joy. So if I change the sample text like I hate you, so you can see anger for 67%, our sample text is anger. So if I select any one of my text like I don't know what to do, I feel lost, I'm going to find the output for this sample text. You have to change that and then run the code. So you can see anger 0.0, so it is not anger, and then this is not fear, and then this is not joy, this is not neutral, and for sadness 0.97, 97% our text is on sadness. So that's it guys, we have successfully created our project emotion detection from text using NLP. So if you want to download my code, it will be present in the description. So let's see you in the next course, Teach by me.